Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me today. You guys are completely awesome for being here. Today guys, I want to show you part of what I got as a gift. It's from Lush, one of my favorite places. However, a little bit sad. Great gift, I have to say, from a friend, and you know who you are if you're watching this video. Thank you so much. I love you. But a little bit sad. I don't have a bath, and my friend bought me 2 bath bombs. Now, you know, Lush is not cheap, so the bath bombs are super expensive, and I didn't really know what to do with them. I was thinking about giving them away, but I want to experience the bath bombs. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to have a look at what my friend bought me, and then we're going to use those bath bombs. Maybe not in a bath, but in something similar. So without wasting any time, there are 2 bath bombs inside this bag, and I'm going to show you guys. A gold star to Lush, who use paper bags with proper handles. I don't know about other stores who use paper bags with paper handles, but we live in Ireland and it rains a bunch, so they always get soaking wet. The bags get wet, the handles get wet. I don't know how many bags I've seen from other shops that have got wet and they have literally split. So fair play to Lush, who do really sturdy paper bags with really sturdy handles. I mean, these are, even if it gets a little damp, are not going to come off. So big shout out. So let's see. First bath bomb. Already covered in the dust. Let's open it inside, and it says Fighting Animal Testing, lush.com. Love their little paper bags. The first little bath bomb we have here, and we're going to take it out. It is this beautiful rose and lavender bath bomb. I love Lush from the bottom. I like how they imprint their own name, but this is a gorgeous pink and a lilac purple. And then we have a little rose up top. And we're going to bring in our water. And I'm going to have to pause the video halfway through to change out the water, so don't be concerned. I'm going to make sure that I do my utmost that you guys can see the bath bombs being used. I mean, I've bought bath bombs from a ton of places. I love all the bath bombs. Lush definitely, though, are the best in my opinion. I don't buy them very often because they're super expensive, but I will always accept them as a gift, even though I don't have a bath. But I'm loving this little bath bomb. This is a pretty big bath bomb. This is a super sweet fragrance. It's not like rose or floral scented, really super sweet. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to drop our bath bomb in. I'm eager to see what happens here, but we'll drop our bath bomb in. I'm going to lift you guys up so you get like the full effect. Let's pull it close. And look how gorgeous and pink this water has become. We have the bubbles. We have the fizz. What is happening with our little rose at the top? Okay, it's starting to peek through. The bath bomb is super heavy, so it does sink to the bottom, but I wanted to give you guys an overview of the little rose at the top. And it is already starting to disintegrate, so we'll pop it right back in. Look how gorgeous and pink this water is. Super cute. Oh, you can feel the little rose at the top. It's just poking its little way through. The smell, the scent is absolutely delightful. It's filling up my entire kitchen with sweet, sweet fragrance. Look, hear the fizz. Look at the little rose. Let's try and, it's just bobbing its way around. There's a ton of fizz, which is the one thing that I love about bath bombs. I have bought bath bombs in the past that have been less than fizzy. They don't give you that powerful explosion, and I get super sad. You can just see the rose floating around as it comes apart from the bath bomb. Let's just pick it out. Oh, we have our rose right here. Upside down. Let's turn it the right way. But even the rose, which is super cute and adorable, will disintegrate too. It just dissolves. And this is currently our bath bomb. Still fizzing. Oh, still fizzing right to the end. We'll just pop that back. And I will give my hands a little clean, because my second bath bomb is all my favorite. I'm super excited. I've never had this bath bomb before, and I know that this bath bomb is one of Lush's most popular, but also because it's so big, it's very, very expensive. So we are going to just have a quick look. I mean, look at the color of that gorgeous water. Imagine just bathing in this gorgeous scent, this gorgeous color. And guys, you know, I mean, I've condensed this into a baking bowl that only holds 7 pints of, or 14 cups. But if you put this in the bath, this is going to be a gorgeous pastel pink color. And the scent, I mean, honestly, you'll knock it out. You'll will literally sit in that bath and turn the taps on, top up the hot water, and just relax. Well, guys, I'm going to empty this one out, and then I'm going to double back and we'll do my last bath bomb. And I'm so glad that I'm getting to share a gift that I got, the potential I might not have been able to use or experience or have fun with you guys, because this is fun for me. So thanks for watching this video. If you stay right there, I'm going to be back in just a sec. Okay, guys, we've got fresh water. I put more water in this one this time around because this is a bigger bath bomb. So I'm going to move it off to the side, and we'll put our little baggie over here. And our last bath bomb, which I'm super excited about. This may be number 2 in this video, but it's definitely number 1 as far as I'm concerned on when I would ever think about purchasing a bath bomb from Lush. I'm so excited. I mean, you guys can see. It's big. It is their little present one. Oh, sorry guys. I'm trying to get it out without hitting the camera. That's not... We're going to just throw that in there. It's already turning the water this gorgeous pastel pink. So this is the second bath bomb in this video. First bath bomb for me, it's a top number 1. It is pink sparkles with a blue lid. It smells pretty similar to the first one. I'm not sure if that is the fairy dust from Lush, but inside, I didn't even know this when I first saw this. This little lid came off, and inside is filled with all of these little mini colorful surprises. And I love the fact that the top is like a lid. I mean, how do you even get a bath bomb to do this? I do not know, but we're going to put it in, and I'm super excited. I mean, I am super, super excited. If you're excited, let me know in the comment section right away. I'm super duper excited. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you really ready? Okay, let's go. I hope this doesn't overflow. Let me move it up so you guys can see. Look at the foam. This foam is still rising. I'm hoping it doesn't overflow. But look at that vibrant pink. Then you've got your blues right here. We've got a little bit of yellow and a little, oh, this is a little bit of green. But how beautiful. So the present goes inside. It dissolves. I mean, these bubbles are still coming. They're still coming. I'm really, really worried. We have a little bits of green here. We've got some of the colors have mixed, and we've got purple. But, oh my gosh, the bubbles are still coming. I'm going to pop some to see if I can make it go down. But we have got pure, oh, darn, my finger's pink. Oh, no. Oh, no. But look, we even have a little bit of orange. Look at this pink finger. Look at this pink finger going on around here. I'm going to try and... The bath bomb's gone. Oh my gosh. This is what we have left. The lid from the bath bomb. And we have the little surprises from inside. And I don't even know if you guys can see them. They're just floating around the top, mixing all the colors. Oh my gosh, my hand is pure pink. Let's push this out of the way and let me try and get some of this off my hands and arm. Oh my gosh, I'm pink. I am really hoping that this pink, and it's a lot pinker and glitterier in real life than you can see it on camera. But look at the color. Look at this color. This is deep, rich, red color. I love the fact that we've still got a ton of color on top. I am going to try and get, I'm going to clean up some. I'm going to go and try and get a little stir, and we'll stir it to see if we can mix up some of that colour. Okay, so we have a spoon. I'm going to use a spoon. I'm going to lift you guys up again. I'm sorry for all the up and down in, but I want you guys to see. Look at the blue pushing right into the pink. And we're going to give it a stir. Mix in all those colours. I mean, this is the... Oh, we still have the blue. So the blue lid is still dissolving, but this is our colour. It looks like strawberry drink. What I'm not so if I'm totally happy about is that I only put my hand into the water for a couple of seconds and I cleaned it off, and I have washed my hands about 5 times now whilst getting the spoon to show you guys, and it hasn't come off. So I wouldn't be happy, I think, getting in a bath and coming out pink. Although pink is a pretty colour, I still wouldn't want to be coming out in pink. And the top is still dissolving. The bottom bath bomb went really quick. The inside little confettis went really, really quick. But we still have the lid just bubbling away and dissolving. There must be less bicarbonate in this. You can still see it looks like a lid. But I thought that was so much fun. I definitely still think, even with the pink hands, I still think that my favourite was number 2. There was just an explosion of fizz. Something that I found really gives me a little bit of pleasure. So guys, let me know what you think about Lush bath bombs. Let me know what your experience is. Let me know which bath bomb you like the most, and if you guys think that this was a good way for me to use my gift. I still think it is. I'm still happy I shared it with you guys. I got to experience it a little bit, so I'm super duper happy. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, don't also forget to hit that subscribe button. Guys, if you want to be notified of any future videos, hit the notification bell, and I am going to say goodbye. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys take care. Please stay safe. Please look out for each other, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye bye.